How to lock Facebook profile on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to lock Facebook profile on iPhone. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to lock the Facebook profile, firstly go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and tap on the menu button on the bottom right of your screen. Here go ahead and tap on your name and you will be led to the Facebook profile. Now, in order to lock your profile, you will have to make sure that you do not have the professional mode turned on your profile. So if your professional mode is turned on, then tap on the three dots beside the edit profile button and you will see the option for turn off professional mode. So tap on that, and once you have ensured that your profile is not in professional mode, go ahead and tap on the three dots and you will see the option for lock profile. Tap on that and then tap on lock your profile option, and with this you have successfully locked your profile. When you lock your profile, only friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile, and only friends can see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo, and people can still search for you and send you friend requests. So this is how you can lock your Facebook profile on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.